Allah is saying, I will give you in Jannah something that will look beautiful on the outside and you will feel beautiful on the inside. You have never seen more beauty on the outside and you have never felt this beautiful on the inside.
They will have in it whatever they've always wanted, whatever they've ever desired, any wish they ever had, any thought they ever had, anything that was impossible for them to get in this world. But there are things that are beyond even their imagination that they can enjoy, but they don't even know they exist. So he says, وَلَدَيْنَا مَزِيد, and we have more above and beyond that. We have above and beyond the imagination of the human being waiting for them.
And that's what I'm willing to give you. You just give me your best. Allah is offering us a Jannah where it's the ultimate beauty on both ends. It's beyond, we can't imagine this. It's not something we've ever experienced. We can't. And He says this is what He's going to do.
But another beautiful hadith, He says Allah Azza wa Jal made a house in Jannah, in Firdaus. Firdaus is the highest Jannah. Allah made a house in Firdaus for every human being. Not just every believer, every human being. But some people just didn't want to go. So when believers get there, there's going to be a lot of empty homes. And so they're going to inherit those homes. May Allah Azza wa Jal make us of those who inherit homes in Jannah, and not those whose homes remain empty. The house Allah has built for you and the house Allah has built for me is already there. Don't mess it up. Don't fall off the edge. Don't lose your faith in Allah. Just think of these tough times as just Allah wanting to see what price you're willing to pay for that house.